Back on the rooftops again. At least the sun's shining. And those solar panels aren't really effective at the minute because they're still frozen over. We're just trying to get this sorted. Reclaim, get some gas in it. Got a few things to get. Jay, as always, busy on his phone. And got another job to do. Look at the moon up there. See it? These solar panels. Oh, it's slippery here. And bit of work to sort out. I haven't stopped since we've been here. And we're starving, need to get something to eat. So, let's see how it goes. Nice blue sky though, that's nice. Alright, stay blessed, be good, and just be good.